Currently, for most people, it's obvious that artificial intelligence, technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cybersecurity solutions are something that are part of our daily lives. So for those people who are using them and being aware of it, like using ChatGPT, probably it's not a secret. There are definitely some certain limitations which are as part both of technology and the way we can apply that technology in our daily life. Besides all those advantages of the modern technologies that is provided, unfortunately, the best possible use and knowledge of proper use also is needed. In most companies, within the project Merit, we have done a research on those technology both requirements by the companies to perform better and getting some market advantages, as well as trends in society in general, through questionnaires or through questioning both students, through questioning companies and potential employees. For us, it was evident that there is a certain gap, and it's not a gap of knowing technology or being able to develop new solutions based on technology, but what was a little surprise for us is a gap of being capable of applying properly the existing technology. So it means in many companies which are not technology companies but are heavily dependent on the application of proper application of the technology, they probably do not need engineers developing it, like new artificial intelligence models, new sensing systems or something, but they need introducers, they need integrators, people that know the business, they know the domain, and at the same time they are aware of limitations of the technology, they are capable of introducing them properly. And that is the gap identified by the team of the Merit, and that is the main reason why we decided to launch the project. So through the project we are trying to develop novel, I would say innovative master study programs in partnering organizations, which to best of our knowledge, to best of our intentions, will fill out the gap, both providing knowledge and skills of technology and employing and extending the capabilities of students applying the technology in their organization. That's how we see, through the filling the gaps, we can provide the necessary capacities of the companies being more effective in near future through the proper introduction of the technology. Within the research what we did, that was a study, it wasn't a scientific research, we found out several topics which are of the most both interest and development potential. Besides things like blockchains, which are very new currently as a part of modern technology, which is very highly trendy, I mean with positive trend. Besides though, we also found out that topics like deep learning, topics like general IoT and specifically IoT in industrial applications are among those, besides data analysis, of course, general data analysis, besides those which are the most wanted by the companies. So they need competencies within their staff of being capable of apply those particular techniques, apply this particular knowledge in their daily lives. So that's why those are main focus areas of our study programs within the project we're developing in a close cooperation, because in our partnering countries those gaps are not only for the company employees but also for the teaching staff. And we're trying through the project, through the proper and fruitful cooperation and fulfilling each other's gaps, complementing each other, complementing both teaching staff's availability, infrastructure being used by the students. We see that we can make future study programs both better, more fitting the current employment market, and more effective in terms of effective use of available resources, both human and infrastructure.